Second important thing is called flexing. That's kind of a term. It's not maybe a common term, but by flexing we mean a flexible employee who can work at more than one place. Or it's the environment where operators move in the environment. They move either to an open spot or they can move to aid and assist in the line to keep the flow going. So what you're going to find with flexing, if you can build this kind of environment, and again, this isn't that common, but when you build it, you're going to find productivity goes way up. By way up, I mean like 20% or 25% or more in some cases. So this is not something we want to ignore. It's a huge potential benefit. And we can test simulation we can test flexing in our simulation model by taking people out, putting people back in, and assessing the productivity per person. And I guarantee you, you're going to be surprised. So this is a not very well known, but very important aspect of lean manufacturing and mixed model manufacturing.